Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Hangzhi Current Transducer Wiring Operation Demonstration. This video will use the RIT01M residual current transducer as an example to explain in detail the standard wiring method of its 4-pin crimped terminals. The equipment used in this test includes a Hangzhi developed and manufactured programmable DC standard power supply for testing the output, a high-precision 6-digit digital multimeter for measuring the transducer's output current, a power supply providing 15V power to the transducer. The RIT01M residual current transducer. Let's take a look at the appearance of the RIT01M. It has mounting holes on both sides for easy installation in various scenarios. The center has a current-through hole for primary current introduction. The panel is equipped with a 4-pin crimped terminal interface, a running indicator light, a zero adjustment resistor, and an output proportional adjustment resistor. These two resistors generally do not require processing. Next, let's look at the terminal definitions. On the transducer, from top to bottom, plus connects to the 15 volts power supply. Connects to the minus 15 volt power supply. Out, signal output terminal. GND, power ground, which is also the common signal output terminal. When wiring, carefully check the terminal markings on the transducer to ensure correct wiring. This is fundamental to ensuring the transducer works properly. This is a 4-pin crimped terminal plug par connected. According to the terminal definitions, the cable corresponds to the 15 volts power supply line, minus 15 volt power supply line, ground line, the secondary output terminal from out, and the common output terminal from G. Then we insert it into the 4-pin crimped terminal socket on the transducer, completing the wiring on the transducer panel side. The other end of the cable connects to the plus and ground terminals of the power supply. Note that the RIT01M residual current transducer outputs a voltage signal. Therefore, the positive and negative secondary outputs should be connected to the positive and negative voltage outputs of a 6-digit multimeter respectively. This completes all wiring steps. Power on the current transducer. Under no load conditions, a normal power on result should show a solid green indicator light. If the indicator light does not illuminate, check the power cord for a good connection. After ensuring the current transducer is powered on correctly, then start to measure. Hangzhi transducers support AC and DC current measurement. This test uses DC as an example. During measuring, the current direction must be consistent with the direction of the arrow on the top of the transducer. Now we use a standard source to output a 100 mA measured current. We can see that the 6-digit display has read the transducer's secondary output voltage. Adjusting the standard source to reduce the measured current by 10%. We can see that the 6-digit display value changes significantly with the measured current. The above is the complete wiring process for the Hangzhi RIT01M residual current transducer. We hope this video can help you better understand and operate it. If you have any questions during use, please feel free to contact us.